Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning is Fun with me. As you all know, we are celebrating Colors Day in our school. Like we have celebrated Red Color Day, Blue Color Day and Green Color Day. And today we have celebrated Yellow Color Day. Yellow is the symbol of sunshine, brightness and friendship. We are just... very good. Yellow color?
Fruity. Yellow color, toy.
Very good.
Yellow color, apple.
Very nice.
Smiley.
Very good. Yellow color?
Smiley.
Very good.
Yellow color, pouch.
Wow, yellow color pouch. Yellow color lunch box. Very nice.
Yellow color, pencil box.
Wow, very nice. Yellow color?
Smiley.
Very good.
Yellow color, sun.
Very good. Very good. Yellow color?
Yellow color, pen.
Wow. We love yellow color. Wow. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.